Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing well and staying healthy. In this tutorial, we are going to continue learning basic security and information gathering techniques. Previously, we learned how to gather information using a tool called Maltego, where we explored how to collect and visualize information from websites and online sources. Now, in this session, we are going to learn another very interesting tool called HTTrack. HTTrack is a free and open source tool that allows users to copy or clone an entire website to their local computer. It downloads website pages, images, HTML files, CSS, JavaScript, and many other resources, so the website can later be viewed offline. This tool is commonly used for educational purposes, website backups, offline browsing, learning website structures, and understanding how websites work internally. However, it is very important to understand that this tutorial is only for educational and cybersecurity awareness purposes. This knowledge should never be used for phishing, impersonation, fraud, or any illegal activity. Always use these tools ethically and responsibly. To begin, open your browser and search for HTTrack, or visit the official website directly using HTTrack official website. On the website, you will find versions available for different operating systems, including Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, Debian, and other Linux distributions. Choose the correct version according to your operating system. First, we will install HTTrack on Kali Linux. Open your terminal and type the following command: sudo apt install HTTrack. After typing the command, press enter. Kali Linux may ask for your password. Type your password carefully and press enter again. The system will now begin downloading and installing HTTrack automatically. During installation, required packages and dependencies will also be installed. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a few moments. Once the installation is completed successfully, HTTrack is ready to use. To launch HTTrack from the terminal, simply type HTTrack.
You can also open it from the Applications menu in Kali Linux. After opening the software, you will see a welcome screen and the HTTrack interface. For beginners, the interface may look technical at first, but there is nothing to worry about because we will go step by step. Click Next to create a new project. HTTrack will ask for a project name. You can enter any name you want, for example, Learning Website Copy. After entering the project name, choose the folder where the copied website files will be saved. For example, /home/Kali/websites. This folder will contain all downloaded website files, including pages, images, and scripts. After selecting the location, click Next. HTTrack will now ask for the website URL that you want to copy. Paste the target website URL, for example, https://examplewebsite.com. For beginners, it is recommended to practice only with demo websites, personal websites, or public practice sites instead of real sensitive targets. After entering the website URL, click Next and then start the process. HTTrack will now begin downloading the website. During this stage, the tool connects to the server, reads the website structure, downloads HTML pages, images, CSS files, JavaScript resources, and other website assets. On the screen, you will see the progress percentage, active connections, download speed, and the number of downloaded files. Sometimes beginners may think the software has frozen because large websites can take a long time to download. However, this is completely normal, because some websites contain thousands of files and many media resources. As the website downloads, you begin understanding how powerful this tool really is. With only a few clicks, a website can be copied almost completely. This is exactly why cybersecurity awareness is important. A copied website can sometimes look almost identical to the original website. Because of this, attackers may create fake login pages or phishing websites to trick users into entering sensitive information. That is why users should always carefully check domain names, verify HTTPS connections, inspect SSL certificates, and avoid entering credentials on suspicious websites. Understanding how these tools work helps people recognize online threats more effectively. Now let us move to Windows 10 installation. Go to the HTTrack download page again and download the Windows version. After the installer finishes downloading, open it and follow the setup wizard. Click Next, accept the license agreement, choose the installation location, and then click Install. The installation process will complete automatically. Once installed, open HTTrack from the desktop shortcut or Start menu.
The Windows version provides a graphical user interface that many beginners may find easier to use. After opening HTTrack, click Next, enter the project name, choose the save location, and then click Next again. Now enter the website URL you want to copy. Click Next, and then click Finish to begin the download process. HTTPS will now start copying the website files to your computer. During the download, you will see website files being collected and active connections displayed on the screen. Some files may occasionally fail to download, especially on modern websites that use advanced JavaScript rendering, cloud protection, or security filters. This is normal behavior because many modern websites are dynamic and rely heavily on live server communication. Once the download process is complete, open the project folder you selected earlier. Inside the folder, you will see multiple website files, including HTML pages, images, CSS files, and JavaScript resources. Look for a file named index.html. Double-click the file, and your browser will open the copied website locally on your computer. This is often the moment where beginners become surprised because the copied website can look almost exactly like the original website. Images, layouts, navigation menus, and pages may all appear very similar to the real website. However, it is important to understand that this copied website is still only running locally on your computer. It is not the real live website. Any changes made on the original website will not automatically update on your copied version.
This is also where cybersecurity awareness becomes extremely important. Since cloned websites can look almost identical to original websites, attackers sometimes use them to perform phishing attacks and steal user credentials. Victims may believe they are logging into the real website while actually entering their information into a fake cloned page. That is why users must always verify URLs carefully, check website security indicators, and avoid trusting suspicious links blindly. Learning these concepts helps you protect yourself and understand how attackers may attempt to deceive users online. So in today's tutorial, we learned what HTTrack is, how to install it on Kali Linux, how to install it on Windows 10, how to copy websites locally, how offline website cloning works, and why cybersecurity awareness is so important. The most important thing is understanding the concept and using the knowledge responsibly. This tutorial is strictly for educational purposes, cybersecurity learning, and ethical awareness. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel.